Hey DIY enthusiasts, today I'm going to show you how to install a bench grinder. It's easier than you think. First things first, safety gear. Always wear safety goggles and gloves when working with power tools. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Find a stable surface. Your bench grinder needs to be mounted on a sturdy workbench that can handle its weight and vibration. Pick a spot with enough space for you to move around comfortably. Step 2. Secure the grinder. Place the grinder on the bench and mark the holes where you'll be drilling. Double check that it's aligned properly. Now, grab your drill and make those holes. Use bolts and nuts to fasten the grinder securely to the bench. Tighten them up nicely, but don't over-tighten, just enough to keep it stable. Step 3. Check the wheels. Make sure the grinding wheels are properly attached and in good condition. If they look worn out or damaged, replace them before using the grinder. Spin the wheels by hand to ensure they move freely without wobbling. Step 4. Adjust the tool rests. Most bench grinders come with adjustable tool rests. Position them about 1/8 of an inch away from the wheels. This helps you maintain control while grinding and prevents tools from getting caught. Step 5. Power it up. Plug in the grinder and turn it on. Let it run for a minute to make sure everything's working smoothly. Listen for any unusual noises or vibrations. If everything checks out, you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully installed your bench grinder. Now, you're ready to tackle your next project with precision and ease. Thanks for watching and happy grinding. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips.